Hey everyone. Hey, well, I'm back on the E90 BMW. This is a 335xi. I got a fault code here. You can see it says powertrain cylinder 1 misfire detected. I'm reading that off of my Torque app. That's a pretty cool app. Anyways, I'm going to show you how we can diagnose this this misfire, and I'm going to also change the spark plug. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you can see is there's a lot to take apart here in order to get to the spark plugs. You have to take off, there's a whole cowl here in this area. Looks like this right here. It's pretty simple. There's only about 4 screws that hold it in. You also have to take out the air cleaner right in here. That's the cabin air cleaner. A couple of screws for that as well. About 6, I think. And then you just unclip this big harness right here, and this one just pulls right out. You can see this little clips here just pulls away from the this piece right here. Here's the clips that hold that big cable in. Just kind of unsnap. You just unsnap them from here. It's pretty simple. Right here. And there's some little covers on the sides here also. You take off. They just unsnap. So, okay. So now that we're to the point where we can actually get to the spark plugs. Let me show you what we got to do here. Alright, so first off, this is what the spark plug looks like, the one that I bought. These are Bosch replacement OEM plugs. You can see the end of those. Nothing to gap on these, they're already gapped. But one thing you do have to get is a special socket. It'll make things a lot easier if you get this special socket here. I don't know if you can read it or not, but it's a 12.14 millimeter. And it's thin walled, very thin, so it fits in there real well. And the spark plug, you can see, has 12 sides as well, so all fits together nice. It's got some rubber in there to keep it so it won't fall out. So anyways, I recommend getting this. I wouldn't try it without it. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so misfire can be one of 3 things. And in this car, it's pretty prevalent that it's probably the spark plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all the spark plugs in the car. But also, because it is cylinder 1, and I know which one it is, it happens to be the one in the front here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove, it could be the coil pack, it could be my problem as well. Pretty simple to remove. We just remove this harness and they pop right out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take cylinder 1's coil pack and replace it with cylinder 2's coil pack. Swap these over. Replace the spark plugs. Also, the problem could be your injector. The injectors are here. So, I'll replace the spark plugs, and if I don't get a detonation indication anymore, misfire, then I'll know that the spark plug was the problem. If my misfire moves to cylinder 2, then I know it was probably my coil pack. If cylinder 1 still gives me a misfire, my spark plug's new, my coil pack's different, has to be the injector. That's an easy way to figure it out if you have just one. I imagine if you have 2, if you do the math, I'm sure you can figure out a way to determine what your problem is as well. But with only one misfire cylinder, it's real simple. By just swapping these 2, and now you can determine exactly what your issue is. But you do have to replace the spark plug. That's one thing you'll have to do. And they're pretty simple to do. Alright, I'm going to get to that now. It's a long thread on these. Alright, well the spark plug doesn't look too bad. Really carboned up at the tip though, so I replaced the rest of them now. Okay, I have all the spark plugs changed now. Took the 2 coils and I numbered them. I don't know if you'll be able to see the numbers or not, but there's a 1 and a 2 on them. So I'm going to swap those around now. Put 1 over on this side, and we'll put 2 on this side. Okay, now I'm just going to reassemble and we'll see how it looks, how it sounds. I just checked my app. No fault codes now. So we'll have to drive it around for a bit and we'll just see if it starts to stumble at all and see if we get any more misfires. So, alright, looks like we're back in the business here. Thanks for watching.